a business owner, I want to send this new WhatsApp marketing campaign to all my existing customers whose detail I have in this Google Sheet. But now manually sending WhatsApp message to each and every customer takes a lot of time. That's where I got up an amazing WhatsApp broadcast solution that helped me to send the WhatsApp campaigns in bulk, that too without any manual effort. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to set up this WhatsApp broadcast using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. And now here to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see some options. First, if you're a new user, click on sign up for free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. If you want a demo, select this demo option, or else if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Here, if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. And here I can assure you that you are going to get maximum discount using my coupon code irrespective of any other coupon code available. So go and make your purchase now. Alright, so now you have to signing in. You can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So here you can see I've already connected a WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So to learn how to connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Not only this, let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left side bar. So if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the tutorials available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Okay, so as you know that we are going to learn how you can set up a WhatsApp broadcast using Pabbly Chatflow. So for that we are going to access the feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is broadcast. But before moving towards the broadcast section, let me tell you that I have created a template message using which I'm going to send this WhatsApp message. And here I've created this message template inside my Pabbly Chatflow account only. So here if you wish to send a regular type of message, then you can send that too. But to learn about that process in detail, you need to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so firstly we are going to see the template that I've already created under this template section. Here you can see number of approved, pending, draft and rejected template. So let me show you the template that I'm going to use. This is the template that I'm going to use, and here you can see my template is approved by Meta. That means I can use this template to send the bulk WhatsApp messages. Here if you want to learn how you can create your own template, then you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel for the same. Alright, now once you have a template, move towards the broadcast section, and in the broadcast you can see the total number of broadcasts, number of live, sent and scheduled broadcast. To create a new one, click on this add broadcast button and it will direct you to the WhatsApp broadcast section. From here select the type as broadcast campaign, give a name. I'm going to give the name as new campaign. Moving forward, then it is asking us to select the audience. So basically if you have an existing contact list, select the existing contact list from here, or else if you want to add new contact list inside Pabbly Chatflow, then you can upload a CSV file for the same. Like as you know that I have data in Google Sheets format, so I can send the WhatsApp messages to these contacts by downloading this data in a CSV file first, and then I can upload the CSV file over here. For now I'm going to use an existing contact list that I already have. Here you can select multiple lists as well. Moving forward, then comes the refine audience. So using this option, you can exclude the contacts to whom you don't want to send this WhatsApp broadcast. You can exclude the entire contact list, or you can exclude some specific contacts. Not only this, you can also exclude the contacts with whom you are having an active 24-hour conversation window. For now, I have not selected any. Then comes the message type. Here you can see two options. First is pre-approved template message and the other one is regular message. If you want to send a regular message, select the message type from the drop down, and if you're going to write a message over here, you can have a preview for the same in the right side. For now I'm going to use a pre-approved template message. Let me select my template over here. Alright, so this is my template. Here I've created a generic template, but you can create a personalized message template as well by adding more variables in your template. Then here it is asking me to test my broadcast message. So here before sending it to the wider audience, I can send it on my WhatsApp number to test this broadcast message. So I'm going to add my contact name and here I'm going to add my number. Then you're going to click on the send test message and it says test broadcast sent. So now let's go and check our WhatsApp. You can see instantly a new message has been received over here with exactly the same message template. So with this, we have successfully tested our broadcast message. Then it is asking us to schedule the broadcast. If you want to send instant message to all your contacts, select no, and to schedule it for the later, select yes. Here you need to select a particular date and time. So while selecting this date and time, make sure you're selecting a future date and time. If you have selected past date and time, that is going to send instant message to all your contacts. Then comes automatic retry of failed contacts. So basically, if you're going to turn on this button and give a number of retries and the weight difference between these retries, then it is going to send this WhatsApp broadcast to all your valid failed contacts once again with the specific time difference. For now, I'm going to turn it off. Then we are going to click on this add broadcast button and you can see a new broadcast has been successfully scheduled over here. Now once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same where you have date of send, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. Also, you can resend this broadcast message to all your valid failed contacts from selecting the resend option available over here as well. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to send WhatsApp marketing campaigns in bulk. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.